squatting. So, a koľko ste povedali, že neubehol v kuse? She's saying that you said once that you never run longer than 600 meters. Is it true still? Or?
Yeah, that's
I mean, in training.
Yeah, right now I've gone over 300 meters all season, so it's getting shorter and I'm happy.
Takže beha samé dvojstovky a že sa to skracuje, takže je šťastný. Že nemusí behať nič dlhšie ani na tréningu.
Yeah, you're saying always when we see you, especially at 100 meters, you at the last 10 meters, you look around, you slow down. Have you ever run 100 meters to the limit, or if no, do you plan it?
Otázka bola, že vždy sa zdá, ako keby posledných 10 metrov zvoľňoval, keď beží stovku, že či už niekedy bežal úplne na doraz.
Well, it's a bad habit. I've been doing this since I was a junior. I've been trying to break out of it. I've gotten better over time, but one day I would have to run a race and not look around, not stare at the clock. I have to be really focused. So one of these fine days, but I really enjoy looking around. It's fun.
Takže rád sa obzerá, keď dobieha do cieľa, ale myslí si, že ten deň raz príde, že sa nebude môcť obzerať a bude bežať naplno až úplne do konca, nebude mať šancu sa obzerať.
Safa se včera projel na letišti autem stejně jako loni Usain a jel jsem mnohem rychleji, tak jestli Usain mu nezáviděl, jak si nezalitoval trochu udal přednost tréninku včera.
Are you not jealous to Asafa that he was running over 300 yesterday? Not running, sorry. Driving at the airport 320?
No, I actually got the offer, but I wasn't feeling I had to go to training because we weren't sure about the weather yesterday. So I decided that I had to go to training and make sure I get some training before I took it on, but it was too late then. So
next time.
Yeah, next time.
Even better car.
Yeah.
Budúci rok to vybaví, ale dal prednosť tréningu, my to ceníme. For us as organizers, it's very privileged that you prefer training because that means something will happen.
Yeah.
A Safa jsem včera nechal slyšet, že i přesto, že sezona nemá globální vrchol, že by mohly padnout si ty rekordy, obzvlášť na dvoustovce, jestli je Usain téhož názoru.
Yesterday there was a press conference with Asafa and he got a question about the possibility that world records will go, even this year when there is no major championships. And Asafa said that even more possibly the 200, whether you have the same opinion. He mentioned, of course, you and Tyson Gay, not himself in the 200. He was just saying that he thinks that this record could even go more than the 100 one.
Well, I'm not even worried about our record this year. I don't think, personally, a lot of us, I think Asafa said he's in great shape. I think Tyson is coming back from injury, so he's kind of working through the season. And I am really just I'm not really worried about world records this year. I'm just trying to get through the season injury-free and take it as easy as possible. So from my angle, I don't think there'll be any world records going this year. It's going to be hard because a lot of us, Asafa said he wants a better record. Tyson says he will. I don't think Tyson is in the best of shape, but he is working up to it. So it should be hard. And I think you have to be in very good shape to really run 9.58 or faster. So we'll see though.
Nemyslí si to, on si nemyslí, že by rekordy mali byť prekonané tento rok a pre ňoho rekordy nie sú cieľom tento rok, chce mať čo najľahšiu sezónu, aby to zvládol všetko a vieš, že Asafa sa vyjadril, že je v dobrej forme, Tyson po zranení sa postupne dostáva do formy, takže, ale myslím si, že to bude veľmi ťažké, aby sa niekto z nich priblížil k jeho rekordom.
You played football yesterday during the training. How was it? And what are your predictions about the World Cup? Are you playing football?
Well, I was just messing around. Every Sunday when I'm in Jamaica, every Sunday I play football with my friends. We go up and we play some football because it's fun. We enjoy doing it. So yesterday I saw the team. I think it was the under-19 team training. So I went out there and I messed around a little. It wasn't really playing. It was just knocking the ball around. But for me, I support Argentina in the World Cup. But I think Spain has the better side this year to go all the way, but it's football and they always say the ball is round, so you never know what's possible.
Lopta je gulatá, všetko je možné, hovorí, ale jeho favoritom tímom je Argentína, ale myslí si, že dobre bude aj Španielsko. Včera som len tak zakopal, keby sme to tak preložili, nehral futbal, naozaj vážne. Len si tak zakopal s nejakým juniorským tímom, ktorý tam bol okolo.
Is it true that every time you run a good time and every time one of your competitors on the 100 and 200 meters runs a good time, this is like sending out a signal to his competitors? So do you read what Powell and Tyson are doing, or what are they saying by their times?
Well, I don't read ours here. I don't really try to read what they say. I always hear people always call me or text me and say, my best friend, he reads every day, he checks out every paper. So he always calls me and say they're saying this or they ran this time. But for me, it doesn't really matter. These guys are great athletes. I'm expecting them to do well. They say what they want to do in the future. But for me, I always say, people always say, you go out there and you show what you can do. You don't really have to say it. So for me, I just go out and compete and just show what I can do. So.
Pre neho je to vždy nastúpiť a ukázať, čo vie. Čo sa týka výkonov tých druhých, tak má známeho, ktorý sleduje aj noviny, aj všetko, čo hovoria títo a sem tam ho o tom informuje, ale on to sám nesleduje, čo sa deje, čo hovoria tí ostatní, aké časy dosahujú.
We spoke about football, so why Argentina? And the second thing, you support Man United this year, no titles, so maybe we should help them.
Prečo Argentína je jeho favorit a z klubov vieme, že je veľkým priaznivcom Manchester United, ale tento rok nezískal žiadne tituly, že či by im nemal pomôcť.
Well, I'm a person that I don't like to take the definite favorite a lot of times. So in Jamaica, they support more than probably 75% of Jamaicans support Brazil. When I was growing up, was like Brazil, so I went for Argentina. So that's how I started to support Argentina. And Man U this year, we didn't have the best of team. We got rid of Ronaldo and Tevez, and we didn't really replace them. So our team was short, and we got in a lot of injuries. But I think we did extremely well to even place second this year. And Rooney really stepped his game up, and I was really surprised that he actually done so well. And I'm really proud of him. But it's just one of those things, and I would definitely play for Manchester United because it's a great place. I've been there once at the stadium and it's just wonderful.
Áno, raz tam bol Manchester na štadióne, bolo to výborné a myslím si, že to nebolo až také zle. Nevyšiel celý ten rok pre Manchester, aj tí hráči neboli v optimálnej forme, neboli najlepší, niektorí boli zranení, ale Rooney podal kvalitný výkon a prečo je fanúšikom Argentíny? Možno preto, že prakticky celá Jamajka fandí Brazílii, 75%, takže on chcel byť niečom iným.
More 300 races in the future, or is it just once?
Well, I don't know. I don't know what I've been doing anymore. It's all about my coach. I just explained to him that I really wanted to really compete in the Treasure year. He asked me if I wanted. I said yes. Should be fun. So I don't think I'll be competing in Treasure regularly. And I just enjoy competing in Australia. So.
Áno, je to skôr o tom, že rád súťaží v Ostrave a tie trojstovky nejak neplánuje ďalšie. Keď sa o tom radili s trénerom, tréner sa ho spýtal, či chce, a povedal, áno, však môže to byť zábava. A tak to všetko